Yo, what's up everyone? This is a message from Pat the Titty, and today, we're diving deep into the tech that's going to supercharge your online business in 2025. We're talking about the tools that'll streamline your workflow, boost your productivity, and help you crush those entrepreneurial goals. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right tech in your corner can make all the difference. We're not talking about some generic one-size-fits-all solutions either. I've handpicked 7 tools that are not just effective, but also user-friendly and budget-friendly, because nobody wants to break the bank just to get their business off the ground. So, if you're ready to level up your online business game and step into 2025 with a tech advantage, then buckle up because we're about to break down each of these tools, explore their features, and show you exactly how they can help you succeed. Let's get right into it. First up, we're kicking things off with InVideo.ai, and let me tell you, this tool is a game changer, especially if you haven't mastered the art of video editing yet. Look, we all know how crucial video content is in today's digital landscape, right? Whether it's for your social media, your YouTube channel, or even just for your website, high-quality videos are non-negotiable. But here's the thing. Not everyone has the time, skills, or frankly, the patience to learn complex video editing software. That's where InVideo.ai swoops in to save the day. This intuitive platform makes video creation incredibly easy, even if you're a complete beginner. We're talking drag-and-drop functionality, a library of pre-made templates, and tons of stock footage and music to choose from. And the best part is, InVideo.ai won't break the bank. They've got flexible pricing plans to fit every budget, so you can start creating professional-looking videos without emptying your wallet. Trust me, once you go InVideo.ai, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It's that good. No more struggling with complicated timelines or spending hours on a single edit. InVideo.ai simplifies the entire process, allowing you to focus on what really matters. Creating engaging content that resonates with your audience. So, if you're ready to up your video marketing game without the steep learning curve, give InVideo.ai a try. You can thank me later. Next up, we're switching gears to a tool that's specifically designed for all you YouTubers out there. If you're serious about growing your channel, then listen up because vidIQ is about to become your new best friend. We all know how powerful YouTube can be for reaching a wider audience, but with millions of videos competing for attention, it can feel like you're just shouting into the void, right? That's where vidIQ comes in clutch. Think of it as your secret weapon for cracking the YouTube algorithm. This powerful tool provides you with in-depth analytics, keyword research, and competitor analysis, basically giving you a backstage pass to understanding what works on YouTube. With vidIQ, you can see exactly what keywords your competitors are ranking for, track your video performance, and get personalized recommendations to optimize your content for maximum visibility. No more guessing games, no more throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. vidIQ gives you the data and insights you need to make informed decisions about your YouTube strategy. And the best part? They offer a free version to get you started, so you can experience the power of vidIQ firsthand without spending a dime. So, if you're ready to take your YouTube channel to the next level and start seeing real results, then you need vidIQ in your corner. Trust me, it's a game changer. Let's be real for a second. We all know that consistency is key when it comes to building an online presence, right? But churning out fresh, engaging content day after day can feel like a full-time job in itself. Well, get ready to reclaim your time and sanity, because Content Goblin is here to revolutionize your content creation process. This tool is like having a personal assistant for all your content needs. Content Goblin automates your social media posting, content curation, and even helps you come up with fresh ideas, so you can say goodbye to those late-night brainstorming sessions. Imagine this. You can schedule your social media posts weeks in advance, curate relevant content from your industry, and even generate catchy captions and headlines all with a few clicks. Content Goblin takes care of the heavy lifting, freeing up your time and energy to focus on other aspects of your business. And the best part is, Content Goblin integrates seamlessly with all your favorite social media platforms, making it super easy to manage your entire online presence from one central location. No more switching between different apps or struggling to keep up with multiple posting schedules. Content Goblin streamlines the entire process so you can stay consistent with your content marketing without breaking a sweat. So, if you're tired of feeling chained to your computer, constantly creating and posting content, then do yourself a favor and check out Content Goblin. Okay, let's talk about monetization for a second. If you're selling digital products or courses online, then listen up because Digistore 24 is about to become your new secret weapon. This platform is an all-in-one solution for selling, delivering, and managing your digital products. Think of it as your online storefront, payment processor, and affiliate marketing manager all rolled into one. With Digistore 24, you can easily create product listings, set up secure payment gateways, and even recruit affiliates to help you promote your products. They handle all the technical stuff like payment processing, VAT compliance, and customer support, so you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome products and growing your business. And here's the kicker. Digistore 24 has a massive affiliate network, which means you can tap into a huge pool of potential partners who can help you reach a wider audience. This is especially valuable if you're just starting out and don't have a huge following yet. So, if you're ready to streamline your digital product business and start generating more revenue, then you need to check out Digistore 24. It's a game changer for anyone selling digital products or courses online. Chapter 5. Shopify, Building Your E-Commerce Empire. Alright, let's talk e-commerce. If you're selling physical products online, then you already know that Shopify is the undisputed king of e-commerce platforms. And for good reason. Shopify makes it incredibly easy to build a beautiful functional online store without needing any coding skills whatsoever. We're talking drag-and-drop functionality, customizable themes, and a massive app store where you can find all the tools you need to optimize your store for conversions. But Shopify isn't just about looks. It's also packed with powerful features to help you manage your inventory, track your sales, and grow your business. You can integrate Shopify with all your favorite marketing tools, social media platforms, and shipping providers, creating a seamless e-commerce ecosystem. And the best part is, Shopify has a plan for everyone, whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned e-commerce pro. So if you're ready to take your online store to the next level and start selling more products, then Shopify is the platform for you. It's the gold standard for a reason. Chapter 6 AutoDS, Dropshipping on Autopilot. Next up, we're diving into the world of dropshipping with AutoDS, a tool that's about to change the game for anyone looking to start an e-commerce business without holding any inventory. Dropshipping can be a fantastic way to break into the world of e-commerce, but it can also be time-consuming, especially when it comes to finding reliable suppliers and fulfilling orders. That's where AutoDS comes in. This powerful platform automates virtually every aspect of your dropshipping business, from product sourcing and order fulfillment to price and inventory monitoring. Imagine this. You find a winning product on AliExpress, import it to your store with a few clicks, and AutoDS takes care of the rest. When an order is placed, AutoDS automatically sends the order details to your supplier, who then ships the product directly to your customer. You don't have to handle any inventory, packaging, or shipping, freeing up your time and energy to focus on marketing and growing your business. AutoDS also offers advanced features like automated price optimization, competitor monitoring, and even Facebook ad integration, making it an all-in-one solution for dropshippers of all levels. So, if you're ready to launch your dropshipping empire without the headaches, then you need AutoDS in your corner. It's the ultimate tool for automating and scaling your dropshipping business. Chapter 7. YouTube Mastery Monetization 3.0. Level up your YouTube game. Finally, let's talk about YouTube Mastery Monetization 3.0, a comprehensive course created by Matt Parr, designed to help you turn your YouTube channel into a money-making machine. Look, Matt has been in the YouTube game for a while now, and he can tell you, it takes more than just uploading great videos to succeed. You need a solid strategy, a deep understanding of the YouTube algorithm, and the right monetization techniques to turn your passion into profit. That's where YouTube Mastery Monetization 3.0 comes in. This course is jam-packed with actionable strategies, insider tips, and step-by-step guidance to help you grow your channel, increase your engagement, and maximize your earning potential. Matt shares everything he's learned over the years, from optimizing your videos for search to securing brand deals and building a loyal community. Whether you're just starting out or you're already a seasoned YouTuber looking to take your channel to the next level, YouTube Mastery Monetization 3.0 has something for everyone. So, If you're serious about making money on YouTube, then this course is a must-have. So there you have it, folks. Those are my top 7 tools to boost your online business in 2025. From video creation and content automation to e-commerce and dropshipping, these tools are designed to streamline your workflow, increase your productivity, and ultimately, help you achieve your business goals. Remember, the online business landscape is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve and leverage the right tools to succeed. And hey, I want to hear from you. Which of these tools are you most excited to try out? Drop a comment down below and let me know. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Until next time, peace out.